Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to update Java in Windows 11. So firstly open any web browser, then here type java.com. Open java.com. Now here guys you will see this page. Just click on Java download. Now click on agree and start free download. Now once you download, double click on this setup file. Now once you done successfully, click on next and click on close. Now click on start and restart your laptop. So like this guys, you can update Java in your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.